Hi there, Mark here from SnapWireless. This is a quick unboxing and setup tutorial of our PowerBase Go foldable 3-in-1 travel charger. We have redefined the way of charging multiple devices while you travel, and I can't wait to show you everything the PowerBase Go has to offer. The PowerBase Go comes in two colors, black and gray. Today I'll unbox the gray. Upon receiving and unboxing the PowerBase Go, the first thing you will see is the beautiful, elegant design with soft touch fabric that looks great in any room. The PowerBase Go is super thin and lightweight, and it can easily fold up, which is perfect for traveling. Also on the box, you will find a power cable, as well as a card holder, which contains the welcome card, product user manual, and SnapMag Ring, which I'll show you how to use in just a minute. Also, something to note, we have not included an AC wall plug. The reason for this is that a lot of people already own a quick charge plug, so we wanted to reduce waste. However, if you don't have an 18-watt fast charging plug, please make sure to purchase one from our website. All right, now let's set up the PowerBase Go. It's super simple to set up. All you need to do is plug the power cable into an 18-watt quick charger plug and then plug this into power. Next, you just plug the other end into the PowerBase Go. You'll see the indicator lights flash to show it's ready to charge. We also built an Apple Watch charger into the PowerBase Go for Apple and a Samsung Watch charger into the PowerBase Go for Samsung, so there is no need to install your own. On the left side, the charging output is up to 15 watts fast charge. The watch area has an output of up to 3 watts, and the area on the right to charge your earbuds has an output of up to 5 watts. The area on the left also has 40 small magnets built inside to offer precision magnetic alignment every time you charge. It's also compatible with MagSafe devices, so your phone will just snap into place. If you have any other Qi-enabled smartphone that does not have MagSafe capabilities, you'll have to use either our SnapMag Case or a SnapMag Ring. Let's start off with the SnapMag Ring. When attaching the ring, we recommend placing this on the back of the phone directly, or if you use a case, you can place it on the back of the case. Putting it in between the phone and the case will not give a strong enough hold. But before you attach the ring to the phone, make sure to scan the QR code, head to our website and look at the ring positioning, because if you place the ring too high or too low on the phone, it may cover the coil in the phone and have intermittent charging. This also includes 40 small magnets, so it attaches perfectly with the PowerBase Go. To attach, simply peel off the 3M sticker and press down firmly and wait 60 seconds before use. Now let's talk about our SnapMag Case range. We have a variety of different designs, but the one thing that is common across the range is our built-in SnapMag Ring. Now this gives the strongest possible hold. Our SnapMag Case range is also compatible with our entire SnapMag charging range, such as our Snap Mount car charger, our PowerPack Mini, and also our Power Duo desk stand. The PowerBase Go also has a unique foldable design, which can be folded up into theater mode so you can watch your favorite shows while you travel, or even fold up into a single charging pad if you prefer to save space and only charge your phone. And there you have it, a full rundown on our latest and greatest PowerBase Go. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any more questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer experience team at help@snapwireless.com.au. We'll see you in the next one.